Have you ever stared at the moon on a clear night and wondered if it's getting closer to Earth? What if I told you that yes, in fact, the moon is moving closer to us? But it's not for the reasons you might expect. The moon has been our celestial neighbor for more than 4.5 billion years. It's been with us through thick and thin, silently observing the evolution of life on Earth. But the moon isn't just idly hanging in the sky. It's in a constant dance with Earth, influenced by the laws of physics and the gravitational forces at play. Now here's something to wrap your head around. The moon is actually moving away from the Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. This is due to a process called tidal friction, which is a result of the gravitational interaction between the Earth and the moon. The moon's gravitational pull causes the Earth to bulge slightly, which leads to a small but measurable delay in the Earth's rotation. This delay transfers energy to the moon, pushing it into a slightly higher orbit. So why then does the moon sometimes seem closer? The answer lies in the moon's orbit. The moon doesn't orbit the Earth in a perfect circle, but in an ellipse, a slightly stretched circle. This means that at certain times the moon is closer to Earth and at others it's farther away. When the moon is at its closest point, it's in a position called perigee, and when it's at its farthest point, it's in a position called apogee. Now, here's the kicker. When the moon is at perigee and is full or new, we experience what's known as a supermoon. This is when the moon appears larger and brighter in the sky, giving the illusion that it's moving closer to Earth. In summary, while it may seem like the moon is getting closer, it's actually moving away from us at a slow and steady pace. However, due to its elliptical orbit, there are times when the moon appears to be closer, especially during a supermoon. This dance between the Earth and the moon, governed by the laws of physics, will continue for billions of years to come. It's a beautiful reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. So, the next time you find yourself gazing up at the moon, remember that it's not just a static object in the sky, but a captivating participant in the cosmic ballet, forever bound to our planet by the invisible strings of gravity.